Hi! In this demo video, I'll show you the Krisp Systems app and its features. Krisp is a retail solution that uses cloud-based technology. This allows you to sell products, set up promotions, manage your inventory, staff, and review reports and customer buying trends, and do all of these things anytime and anywhere. Being browser-based, this means that you can use any device that you already have available to easily run Krisp in your store. And, given all the software, hardware, and payment integrations available, we make sure that you never lose a sale even when you are offline. Let us walk you through some of the features to give you an overview of how useful Krisp can be for your business. With Krisp, you will have access to the POS to sell your products, and also all the store needs like purchasing and inventory, targeted pricing and promotions, global access, staff and customer management, roles, and reports. Let's start by walking through the POS. So the first thing a staff is going to do with Krisp is open the register at the beginning of their shift. They can do this by going to the till page. On the till page, Krisp allows a staff to do basic tasks like opening and closing the register, do various till movements, and also do a till recount. The Krisp POS has various settings and preferences that you can manage in the admin, which we will go through later in the video. You can have denominations available for the till count, or you can turn that off if you prefer that in your store. They can also manage the sales rep here, along with a drop-down to identify their shift. Once the register is open, the staff can now start their day. On the left side, they will see the hotkeys in your store, grouped into different categories as hotkey groups. You can also have different hotkey templates per store. Templates determine how hotkeys will be presented in the POS. And you can use the hotkeys to add the customer's items to the cart. But to do it quicker, you can use your barcode scanner as well. You also have the search bar to find customers, transactions, or items. These items can be viewed in detail to see the price, the on-hand quantity, and other relevant details. There are also tabs that show more information. For example, if this item is out of stock in your store, you may click the Locations tab and see the other branches that carry the same item. This way, you can help the customer and redirect them to other locations that have it. There are also matrix items that allow you to have variants. These can have different attributes such as size, color, and width. Now, you can also view all of your recent transactions for today by clicking this icon. This gives you a quick access to the transactions that you have done from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. of the same day. Here, you can also easily view the transaction details by clicking this icon. Krisp also allows you to do returns and exchanges here if needed. On the right side of the POS, you will see your cart. Here, you can add multiple items and edit their details, like line sales rep and sales notes. With this, you can give manual discounts as well. Here, you may also add a customer. What this allows you to do is to add the customer to the transaction and later be able to pull that same transaction with the customer details attached to it. Krisp also allows for targeted pricing, so that if a customer is also a VIP member, you will see the prices change over here. This allows you to collect significant information about your customer and their buying habits, and then later on add specific items or personalized promotions. To quickly show you, here's an example of a customer dashboard. You will see information like customer sales, customer visits by month, and sales by item classification, showing you significant information about the customer's buying habits. You also have their transaction history, their purchased items history, and list of issued gift certificates or credit notes. These information will greatly help your clienteling and help you add a personal touch to their buying experience. The promotions feature in Krisp offers you access to almost unlimited combination of promotions. You can create promotions that apply to different groups of customers to create an even more personalized experience. I'll go through this later in the video. But to show you here in the POS, there are different kinds of promotions. You can have an automatic promotion that gets triggered when you fulfill its requirements. There are also promotions that you apply manually. And you can create your own vouchers and coupons as well. There are so many ways you can create promos and coupons, so you can be sure that your POS won't limit you with making your own creative promotion. Now, upon payment, you can offer your customers several options for payment like cash, credit card, or gift certificates. And with Crisp's open API, you will be able to integrate almost any type of payment method, including the ones that you already have. Because of this flexibility, you can do split payments with Crisp as well. This makes it way easier for your customers to make payments. And you can also offer your customers different transaction options. Aside from a basic sale, they can make a deposit or lay-by. They can reserve an item or ask for a quote. This allows you to give better customer service by providing several transaction options. When you're done processing the payment, you can print receipts for your customers. Or if they don't want a receipt, you can send it to them as an email instead. Crisp also has the gift receipt function, which prints the receipt without the price of the item. So you can offer it to your customers who are purchasing a present for a friend or family. This helps you to create a seamless experience for both your customer and the gift recipient. When you're finished with the sale, just click Done. That's how you do a basic sale in the Crisp POS. Now, when you're done with the day, just simply go back to the till and then close the register by going to the till page. Here, the cashier can end their day by submitting their end-of-day count. Now, Crisp makes setting up your store really easy by providing an admin dashboard where you can add and edit entries like items, employees, locations, and price books. Crisp's admin portal is also a very powerful tool to get an overview of your operational reports and metrics. I'll walk you through the admin side of Crisp and show how we can help make your store process more efficient. This is your dashboard. You can use this to see different data, like which of your stores are maybe profiting the least so you can identify problems quickly, or which products are in demand so you can restock more of that item. The dashboard will help you make important decisions for your business. Another important feature of Crisp is reports. Reports give you a more detailed data analytics for your business. Important information like your best performing location or things like item profitability, promotion performance, and many more. You can view a detailed list of all the report types in the description below. Another powerful tool in Crisp Admin is creating promotions. Promotions are one of the key features of Crisp, because Crisp has a very flexible promotion tool that allows you to create almost any type of promotion. With the other POS, you might find that you are kind of limited by what your POS can do. Crisp lets you set promotions for different product combinations. You may set a promotion for just one type or model of shoes, or all the running shoes in your store. You can also set a store-wide sale, including the shoes, shirts, pants, and socks, without having to add all of them one by one to the promotion. Crisp makes it really easy to customize sales, discounts, and promos. You can even choose if you want to give it 20% off of the next item, or a specific amount like $30. You may also set which customer groups are included so you can create personalized discounts. You can even set excluded items to further customize your promo. There are more variables that you can add or change, like the rewards of the promotion, what triggers that promotion, and its duration. You can learn about the different types of promotions and a more detailed demo in the description below. Crisp also makes it easy for you to reorder when your stock gets low and when you need to return a product to the supplier. Crisp has the tools to make this process easier and more smoothly through the admin dashboard's purchase order, purchase receipt, and purchase returns. You get all of these as well when you get the Crisp POS. Of course, along with that, there's also inventory. Crisp makes it easy to track your products and inventory with all the features that's available. When a customer buys an item and the cashier inputs this from the POS, the system automatically adjusts the count in real time so that you're always updated. You can be sure that the other locations will see the most recent count of the items and can then relay that information to customers. This helps improve customer service as you can redirect them to other locations or suggest other items instead if the item they want is out of stock. You can even transfer stocks between locations. And since Crisp works globally for multiple locations, you can do this from anywhere as long as you have access to the admin page. Lastly, You can also do manual adjustments so you can update your stock count in cases where there's damaged items or missing product. If you need more details or more information, just feel free to contact us and we will get in touch. Crisp offers a powerful search tool so you can find everything you need in the admin, from items to employees. You can use this to quickly search for information within the admin. Now, before you can dive into the details and store processes, you will have to set up your store first. Crisp makes setting up your store really easy by providing a tool where you can add and edit items, employees, locations, and price books. I'll walk you through these quickly to show you what you'll have access to with Crisp. Since Crisp is a global product built for various types of businesses, whether you have multiple stores across different locations or just starting out with one store, you can add subsidiaries, locations, and sub-locations using the admin portal. You may also add your employees here so you can have all of your staff and their details in your database. Each employee has their own roles, which you can assign them, and this allows you to restrict and limit the access to different areas of the app. Here, of course, you can add your items, set up price books, and customize hotkey templates. To make it even easier to set up, you can use Crisp's CSV import and export feature. You may have the list of employees in a CSV sheet. You can just import it here so Crisp can automatically fill up your employee database and then export it later when you've added new employees if you want an updated sheet. Crisp can also help you set up your store. If this is something you need, you can reach out and we can discuss these services. Lastly, Crisp also offers a wide range of preference settings so you can further customize the features and tailor it to what your business needs. So there you have it. That's a brief overview of the Crisp POS and a quick demo of its features. If you need to see more, want more detailed information, or have specific questions, contact us using the website link in the description below.